Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, huh? I know you guys have been checking me out in my shorts, but I figured it was time to film a grocery haul. I have two hauls today to share with you guys. One is from Costco and the other one is from Target. And I will be showing you guys everything that we got, and I got the receipts. Let's jump right in. Okay, to start, I have mozzarella cheese, and then I got the cheddar jack, and then I also have the Mexican blend. I'll put the first bag in the fridge and then the other bags will go in the deep freezer. Next we have the Dino Nuggets. The kids love these. I like buying these from Costco because you get more. So this just makes more sense to buy this bag or this box, and it'll last us a lot longer than a bag will. We got these pizzas. If you guys have never had these Kirkland pepperoni pizzas, literally 10 out of 10 would recommend. They are so good. The cheese is good, but this pepperoni is where it's at. So I suggest you guys try that. Got some of the deli meat that they have. I figured it would be good just to have this on hand to make the kids like little sandwiches. A huge thing of these cheese sticks. We've already broken into those, but the kids love these, and I can't even lie, I love these too. So I think there's 60 in here. I have a huge thing of the Kirkland Greek yogurt. I love buying the Greek yogurt not only to make parfaits, but it's just really good for making cremas and stuff. Like if you don't like sour cream, because I know some people don't prefer sour cream, this is super good. Just get, maybe do like a cup of it, add some lime juice and some taco seasoning, and it's great on tacos. For a little bit of produce, I have cucumbers. I got these really good Campari tomatoes. If you have not had these, they're so good. They're great on salads. They're great. I make the chickpea salad. They're great in that. They just have really good flavor, and I always love when they have these in stock. I also got a box of the organic Fuji apples. These kids have been tearing apples up, and like, you know how kids are sometimes. They like things, sometimes they don't. When they like apples, I take full advantage of it, and so I got a bunch of those so that way they can have those for snack. I've got I want to say this is a 10-pound bag of gold potatoes. For those nights that I absolutely do not want to cook dinner, I got a pre-made meals. This one is a chicken pot pie, and we can eat on this for like 2.5 days. We could probably have 2 dinners and a lunch with this, so this is great. They freeze well, and they heat up well after being frozen, so I love buying these. And then I also got a shepherd's pie. I got the kids these fruit rolls, the Bear brand. These are really good, healthier alternative to like fruit roll-ups and stuff like that because they're no sugar added. So I figured the kids would like those, and there's 48 in there. But I got bananas, and this is only half of them because I got 3 pounds of bananas, mainly for my son. He loves bananas. So I like to always have those on hand. I'm not mad that these are green because the other bunch that I got is pretty yellow. So this just means that they're not going to go bad as quick, and it'll give us time to eat them. Mushrooms. By the way, mushrooms freeze really well too. So if you are worried that you don't want to buy a lot of produce like this, it's totally fine. I actually at certain times will buy frozen mushrooms from Walmart when I do orders with them, and they are perfectly fine. There's no difference when you saute them. They're totally the same. I've also got a huge thing of these red seedless grapes because the kids love grapes. I love grapes too, so not mad at it. We frequently make quesadillas in this house, and this is the brand that I always buy. This is the first time I've bought these from Costco. You get 40 in here, and I was sold as soon as I saw that there was 40, because in the regular grocery store you can get 20 for I think like $10, and I got 40 of these for, it might have been the same price or less, but either way it's cheaper to buy the 40 count, and they're gonna last longer. Also, put these in the refrigerator if you want to save them. If you don't use them as quick as we do, they are perfectly fine in the refrigerator, and the texture doesn't change. They don't taste any different. So 10 out of 10 recommend storing them in your fridge. I also got another huge bag of the Krusteaz buttermilk pancake mix. We are almost finished with our last one. It took us probably about a month and a half to get through it. A huge thing of Parmesan cheese. The pasta. This is 6 bags of pasta. And anytime I find these, I get them because we go through a lot of pasta. And I saw that they had a huge bag of organic white sweet corn, so I got it. This is a 5-pound bag. And I mean, this is just good to have. Like last night we had tacos and I made like a little Tex-Mex mix to go on top, and it had the like sauteed corn, pineapple, and a poblano pepper in it. And I just feel like having a huge bag of corn on hand for stuff like that to like beef up certain recipes is just a must. Have a 4-pound container of the stew meat. Love having this, so I'll probably split this up, and this is probably going to be about 3.5 meals for us, depending on what I make. I've used these to make steak tacos. I use these to make like the almost like roast, like a pot roast, but with the, you know, the beef tips. This type of meat is so versatile. You can use it for a lot of different things. And of course, I will be sharing recipes on my shorts. 2 huge things of the Kirkland brats, 2 things of their big white bread, or the giant white bread. These are huge. I think these are bigger than what you get in the grocery store, so that's great. I've got 4 pounds of their chicken breast. They didn't have the Kirkland brand, which was fine because this is basically the same thing. And I think that this was a little bit cheaper, but yeah, this is almost 4. No, actually, this is 8 pounds. So I think the first 3 sleeves is 4 pounds, and then there's 3 more sleeves underneath. That's another almost 4 pounds. So yeah, lots of chicken. I think in each pack there's like 2 or 3 big chicken breasts. So what I do is I usually store these in the deep freezer. I might take 1 pack out, slice it in half, and then that doubles our meals. So this is going to be, I don't know, I can't even take a guess, but this will last longer than a month probably. Huge thing of the zucchini and yellow squash. And then last but not least, we have a huge thing of ground beef. This is 6.83 pounds. And I will literally cut this in half and cut it up by the pound and just flatten it in my, I just use Ziploc baggies, and I will store it in the freezer. So that was 1 out of 2 grocery deliveries. So now we're gonna move on to the order that I did from Target. It is smaller, but I got things from Target that I am, you know, obviously not able to get from Costco, or that I didn't want to get from Costco because I didn't need that much of it. This time I chose to do Target just so I can kind of share with you guys the way that Target does their delivery. So I will be going through everything that I got, and then I'm going to tell you about their delivery service and the options that you have in regards to same-day delivery, or if you wanted to go to the store and pick up your delivery. Okay, so now here's the Target order. I was able to set this up much better because it's not as much. So this is the $200 portion of my $750 order. I will put the receipt right here so you guys can see on there everything that I got. But yeah, so starting from this side, I have these P.F. Chang vegetable egg rolls. These are so good. If you guys haven't had them, listen. Again, like I always say, 10 out of 10 recommend. These spicy soy noodles, the kids love like ramen and noodles, and I like them too, so I got these just for like a treat one night. 4 things of these fruit cups. 2 of them are diced pears, 2 of them are mandarin oranges. The 3 things of the Good and Gather brand almond milk. I got another box of the Kodiak protein bar, 2 boxes of the Sprouts organic waffles for my toddler. I thought he would like these, and you know, I might have to try 1 or 2 of those as well. Got some Z bars for the kids to go in their snack boxes. A big 24 pack of the King's Hawaiian rolls. So these are small enough to fit in their snack boxes too, so I'll be making them like little sandwiches to go in there. Produce, I got some celery sticks, 2 bags of the steamed green beans. I normally don't steam these just because I don't like steaming stuff in the microwave. Most of the time I roast them in the oven, or I will steam them, you know, like over a pot of water. 2 things of peppers. 1 pack is to cut up for snacks, and then the other pack is for making stuffed peppers. I have a small bag of carrots, a small thing of the grape tomatoes. I did get another bag of string cheese because I plan on making homemade fried mozzarella sticks. I have 2 things of the 72% dark chocolate by, these are Ghirardelli. I figured these would be like a nice treat to go into their snack boxes as well, to give them something semi-sweet to have. 4 cans of the Del Monte pineapple slices. I have 3 cans of chickpeas for my chickpea salad. And I got 2 cans of diced tomatoes. And then as always, and that you've seen in like my other grocery hauls, I always buy lots of jars of tomato sauce and marinara. They're just good to have on hand. Good for pizzas, good for those nights where you don't want to make your own sauce, but you want spaghetti and you just use a jar and just season it up how you like. So these are the two big ones. These are both 45 ounces, 3 cases of the Good and Gather seltzer water. Never tried these before. Pomegranate dragon fruit, raspberry hibiscus, and strawberry mango. I'm most excited to try the strawberry mango. I think that's going to be delicious. I did get some juice this time. It's the Frutas Fresca. If you've never had this, it's so good. It's not like super sweet because I feel like it's more of like a, and it doesn't sound appetizing, but like a watered down version of juice. But the sugar, it only has 7 grams of added sugar, and it's only 45 calories. And I just feel like out of all the juice options, this one was probably the best one. And I mean, it's just really good. So definitely go get that. You can get it from Walmart or Target. 2 of the Jimmy Dean sausage logs. So here is the last look at everything that I got from Target. So with Target's delivery, it's a little bit pricey in my opinion. You have the option to sign up for the shipped membership, which is $99 for the year, or you can pay monthly. You can also have your groceries delivered for a fee of $10 if you don't sign up for shipped, which I feel like that starts to get pricey if you want to regularly deliver from Target. That is the main reason why I don't do it that often. It's, you know, it's just I'm not going to pay $10 per delivery at all. But it is an option. And so if you're comfortable with that, then by all means, go for it. The shoppers communicate very well the times that I've done it. They text you, they let you know what's in stock, and you also have the option to add things via the shopper if you're able to. Now, through Target's own app, once you complete the order and you send it, you cannot go in and alter it like you can, like say for instance with Walmart app or even Costco. You would have to do a completely separate order and basically hope that they get to it in time or that they combine the two. It is the same for if you go and pick up your groceries. So that's another thing that I don't like. And so another reason why I don't really do the Target delivery often. I do go pick up my groceries because that's usually ready within 2 hours. The delivery is also guaranteed within 2 hours. So I do like that. Most of the time you can get same day delivery up until 8 p.m. So that is it for today's video. I am so glad that you guys tuned in once again to watch my video and just go through my grocery haul with me. I hope that this gave you a little bit of insight on how we buy things, and maybe you will want to try Target or Costco delivery for yourself. Don't forget to check out my shorts that I am currently posting every day if you guys haven't seen, and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.